Have you ever wondered about the secret behind the success of fitness and business mogul Alex Hormozi? Today we are diving into the world of this extraordinary entrepreneur. This is the man who has made waves in the fitness and business industries, the founder and CEO of Gym Launch, Mr. Alex Hormozi. Alex Hormozi isn't just your average entrepreneur, he's a man with a vision, a man who found a niche and made it his own. Gym Launch, his brainchild, is more than just a company. It's a beacon of hope for gym owners and fitness professionals struggling to navigate the choppy waters of business. Gym Launch provides tailored business coaching and marketing services, specifically designed to help these professionals find their footing and flourish. But how did he do it? What makes Alex Hormozi tick? Well, he didn't achieve his success by chance. He built his empire brick by brick with a clear focus on client acquisition, retention, and overall business growth within the fitness industry. His strategies are not just about making a quick buck. They're about fostering long-term success, about helping others achieve their dreams while fulfilling his own. Alex Hormozi is more than just a successful businessman. He's a thought leader, a game changer, and an inspiration to many. His journey is not just about attaining personal success, but also about empowering others to reach their full potential. He's not just the man behind the curtain. He's the man leading the charge, setting an example for others to follow. And it's not just about making money. For Alex, success is measured in happiness and fulfillment. He works tirelessly, not because he has to, but because he loves it. He works because it brings him joy and a sense of accomplishment. His work is his passion, and his passion is what drives his success. So, how did Alex Hormozi manage to build such a successful empire? What's the secret behind his impressive accomplishments? Well, it's time to delve deeper. Buckle up as we embark on a journey into the life and times of the one and only Alex Hormozi. Chapter 1. Your expectations define your life. How much do expectations shape your life's perspective? It's a question worth pondering, isn't it? Alex Hormozi, a renowned entrepreneur and fitness mogul, firmly believes that expectations play a pivotal role in how we perceive life. Interestingly, it's not just about the expectations we set for ourselves, but also the ones society imposes upon us. Hormozi's approach to work is a perfect example of this. He's a workaholic, not because he feels obligated to be, but because he loves what he does. He works tirelessly, only taking breaks when his productivity begins to dip. This is not a lifestyle that everyone would choose, but it works for him because it's driven by his passion and not societal pressure. Hormozi also highlights a common tendency among people to project their expectations onto others. We often find ourselves trapped in a vortex of societal shoulds, losing sight of what we genuinely want. But Hormozi urges us to break free from this cycle. According to him, we should be guided by our desires and aspirations, not by the expectations of others. But how does Hormozi measure success? Is it wealth, fame, or power? Surprisingly, none of these. For Hormozi, success is synonymous with happiness and fulfillment. He finds joy in his work and feels accomplished when he's content with his efforts. This perspective of success might seem unconventional, but it has been the driving force behind Hormozi's many triumphs. The role of expectations, according to Hormozi, extends beyond our personal lives and into our professional endeavors. Expectations can shape how we approach our work, manage our relationships, and even how we define success. By setting our own expectations and not conforming to societal norms, we free ourselves to pursue our passions and find true fulfillment. Hormozi's biggest goal? To stop caring what other people think. It's a powerful statement, isn't it? It's about liberating oneself from societal expectations and embracing our own path. After all, it's our life, our journey, and our expectations that matter the most. Chapter 2. The Art of Offer. Ever thought about the art of making an offer? It's a question that Alex Hormozi, a successful entrepreneur and business coach, has spent a lot of time pondering, and he's come to some fascinating conclusions that have become a cornerstone of his business operations. Hormozi believes that the magic of making offers lies in understanding and defining value. It's about being able to tap into your customers' dreams and aspirations, to understand the outcomes they desire, and then to present them with a solution that not only meets those aspirations, but exceeds them. This isn't about selling a product or service, it's about selling a dream, a transformation, a better version of their current reality. But understanding the dream isn't enough. The next part of the equation is to gauge their perceived likelihood of achieving that dream. Now this is where it gets interesting. It's not their actual likelihood of success that matters, it's their perception of it. If you can convince them that your offer will increase their chances of success, then you've hit the jackpot. Their perceived risk decreases, and the value of your offer increases. And here's the kicker. By understanding and maximizing these variables, perceived likelihood of success, risk, time delay, speed, effort, sacrifice, ease, scarcity, and urgency, you can provide more value to your customers. This in turn allows you to increase your prices and generate more revenue irrespective of the price tag. But the real secret sauce? Hormozi believes in creating offers that are so good they're almost impossible to refuse. Offers that are so packed with value, so tailored to the customer's dreams and perceived likelihood of success, that saying no feels like turning down a winning lottery ticket. So the next time you're crafting an offer, remember Hormozi's advice. Understand your customer's dreams, gauge their perceived likelihood of success, maximize the key variables, and above all, make your offer irresistible. Remember, your offer should be so good that people feel silly saying no. Chapter 3. The power of stacking skills. How much value can stacking different skills add to your business? Let's delve into this. Imagine a toolbox, each tool representing a skill you've honed over time. Now imagine adding a new tool to that box. Does it stand alone, or does it enhance the function of the other tools? Exactly. Each skill you acquire doesn't just add to your abilities, it amplifies the potency of all your other skills. Consider an entrepreneur who has mastered marketing. Now, suppose they learn the art of storytelling. Their marketing efforts suddenly gain a new dimension, becoming more compelling and engaging. This is the power of skill stacking. But it's not just about collecting skills haphazardly. It's about strategic skill acquisition. It's about identifying and honing skills that complement each other and can be leveraged to maximize your potential rewards. And speaking of leverage, let's take a moment to appreciate its potency. Leverage in this context is about getting more for what you put in. It's about finding opportunities that amplify your efforts and multiply your returns. A small investment in a product or service can lead to a high perception of potential rewards, but how? It's all about perception. If your audience perceives that your product or service offers high potential rewards, they're more likely to invest in it. So, where does one find these opportunities for skill stacking and leverage? The key is to identify where your skills are most in demand. For example, if you're an expert in social media marketing and storytelling, find an industry where these skills are highly sought after. It's also about recognizing leverage opportunities. Look for platforms or situations where your skills can be amplified. This could be anything from technological advancements, media opportunities, or even finding the right mentors. In conclusion, the power of stacking skills and finding leverage is immense. It can transform your business and skyrocket your success. It's about strategic skill acquisition, identifying where your skills are most in demand, and capitalizing on leverage opportunities. Whether you're growing within a company or starting your own, remember that each skill you add to your toolbox makes the rest of your skills more valuable. Chapter 4. Find your whales. Do you know where your whales are? This question may sound strange, but in the language of business, it's a vital query that can shape the trajectory of success. Picture a whale, a creature of magnificent size that makes a splash wherever it goes. In the same way, your whales are your biggest opportunities for success, the areas where your skills and offerings will be most valued and rewarded. Alex Hormozi, an entrepreneur who has made waves in the fitness and business industries, has a unique perspective on this. He believes in the importance of understanding where to sell and knowing where the whales are, because believe it or not, it takes the same amount of work. The energy you pour into a small opportunity could be the same energy you use to seize a larger one. The difference? The latter has the potential to yield a significantly higher return. But how do you find these whales? The answer lies in leverage. Hormozi encourages people to look for leverage opportunities. Think Facebook, Amazon, technology, media, and mentors. These are platforms and resources that, when utilized effectively, can amplify your efforts and multiply your results. It's about getting more for what you put in. Imagine drawing a circle in the sand. On your own, you might only be able to make it so big, but with the right leverage, you could draw a circle so large it encompasses the entire beach. That's the power of leverage. It's the ability to do more, reach further, and achieve greater success with the same effort. Finding your whales and leveraging opportunities isn't just about creating wealth, it's about creating incredible success. It's about making a difference, making an impact, It's about being a whale in your own right, making waves that ripple out into the world. So ask yourself again, do you know where your whales are? If you do, that's great. If you don't, start looking. Because in the world of business, knowing where to find your whales can be the difference between success and failure. Before we wrap up, remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you're finding these insights valuable. Chapter 5, Recap. As we come to the end of our journey with Alex Hormozi, it's time to reflect on the key takeaways. We've delved into the mind of a successful entrepreneur, dissecting his approach to business and his unique perspective on success. Hormozi's story is one of constant evolution. He's a man who doesn't believe in resting on his laurels. Instead, he works tirelessly, only taking breaks when his output decreases. He's driven by personal happiness and fulfillment, not societal norms or expectations. In the world of business, he's carved a niche for himself with his unique approach to making offers. Hormozi believes in crafting offers so enticing, so packed with value, that it would seem foolish to decline. He's shown us that understanding and maximizing variables like perceived likelihood of success, risk, time delay, speed, effort, sacrifice, ease, scarcity, and urgency can transform your business, allowing you to provide more value to your customers and ultimately, increasing your prices and generating more revenue. He's also shown us the power of stacking skills and finding leverage. By constantly adding to your personal skill toolbox, you're not only increasing your value as an entrepreneur, but also creating more value for your business. He's taught us that the key to becoming a millionaire could be as simple as finding an industry where your skill set is most in demand. Finally, Hormozi's wisdom on finding your whales, those big opportunities that can truly skyrocket your success, has been invaluable. He's reminded us that understanding where to sell is a skill in itself, and leveraging opportunities like technology, media, and mentors can lead to incredible success and wealth. That's a wrap on Alex Hormozi's journey to success. Let us know in the comments which successful person you'd like to learn more about, and don't forget to subscribe for more.